Hi guys, I'd like to welcome you guys all back to my channel, and today I'm here with the September Owlcrate that came a week after Imelda decided she wanted to wreak havoc. First, I'd like to thank the Owlcrate team because the Postal Service has been acting like I am doing something wrong by tracking down my packages. But the funny thing is, a lot of things were supposed to be delivered that Thursday and Friday that Imelda decided she was going to set it off. So, a lot of my packages have been arriving late. Some of them are still lost. They hadn't even made it to Dallas to be distributed. So, I'm glad that I got the Owlcrate. So, I don't even remember the theme, but let's just jump into it. Okay, so, my little card thingy is bent. That's fine. Not a big fan. The print's cool, but it's nothing big. The theme is Fear the Night. So we're going to sit that on top of the pile of laundry that I have next to me. Hashtag real life. So the first thing, let's see. The first thing is Creep Your Bones. Oh, fingerless gloves. Okay, this is going to sound super weird, but I love fingerless gloves, especially in Houston. I don't know what it is, but I like having my hands free. Check those. They're stinking cute. Okay. All right. I like it. I'm digging it so far. Let's see. This was created by the Owlcrate team, so that's good. Oh no. I think I feel like coffee or something. Let's see. It's Bones Coffee, Scaramel Corn. Ew. Okay. Owlcrate exclusive. That's all it says. I like the artwork, but it's a big bag of coffee. Y'all know I don't drink coffee, and I don't know anybody who drinks coffee. I'll ask people and see. Okay. It's a box. Oh, I do like the packaging. It's little purple pumpkins and skulls and stuff. I like. Oh, it's a little dish. Because y'all know it's about to be, I've got to redecorate my whole apartment and put all my fall, Halloween stuff out. So, that's cute. It says, "Beware, for I am fearless and therefore powerful. Mary Shelley." That is stinking cute. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, this is just telling me it's that time. It's time to, this weekend is happening. I might record it. I'm not sure. But clearly this weekend it's going down. I need to go get a new comforter set because it needs to be DACA, like my soul. But let's see. It is the Fear the Night Trinket Dish, inspired by Frankenstein by Mary Shelley. Designed by Stella Bookish Art. Stella, you do some good stuff, girl. I don't know how you got it on there, but you did it. So, it looks like it's a book. Oh, that's right. We get a classic. So, the classic that I got is The Haunting of Hill House by Shirley Jackson. The cover is creepy as crap. I don't remember this book, to be honest. But free book. Can't really complain. Okay. So, this is the enamel pen. Ooh. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. How'd they get the white? Oh, that's sick. Okay. It's by Laser Brain Patch Co. So I guess lapels and spells. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus. Look at the details in this freaking pen. This looks freaking stunning. I have no more room on my Owlcrate pen wall, so I need to make another pen board. But holy crap, that's beautiful. So I think this is a print, I guess. It says, Beware the autumn people, Ray Bradbury. I guess not really a big fan of this. Just gonna leave that there. Yeah. Let's pull something else out. Owlcrate exclusive free preview of The Beautiful by Renee Adier. So, the darkest creatures of the underworld are embroiled in an age-old feud. Only Celine and Sebastian are the very heart of it. Okay. Oh, okay, that's why her name sounds familiar. She's the author of Flame in the Mist and Smoke in the Sun. Okay, awesome. I mean, I always read these little things to determine if I want to read them. So I do like the little samplers. Now we have the book, and it is The Bone Houses by Emily Lloyd Jones. I don't know what this is, but I feel like this... Ooh, we get a bookmark. I feel like this has to go on my October TBR because I need at least one creepy read, and I think this might be the one. So, you get a... Ooh. I love the material of this bookmark. I'm trying to make bookmarks right now. Ooh, it's one of the bookmarks that like has a page marker. So, it says, "Nothing stays buried forever." Okay, that's dope. Yeah. Keeping this bookmark. And then we have a letter by Emily. I actually think the artwork is really pretty. So, and again, fantastic soft touch. Like, I love the way that feels. Let's see. So, this is what the cover looks like. It's a beautiful white. A muted gold. So that's it. I was kind of hoping there was going to be something like creeped out on the binding, but I can't complain. Ooh, Emily, you signed it with a pretty silver pen. Okay, so I have no idea what this book is about. I've never heard of this book, but let's see. It says, 17-year-old, I'm going to say Ryan, cares only about two things, her family and her family's graveyard. And right now, both are in dire straits. Since the death of her parents, Ryan and her siblings have been scraping together a meager existence as gravediggers in the remote village of Colbreen, which sits on the foot of a harsh and deadly mountain range that was once home to the Fae. Ooh, so we got magic too. The problem with being a gravedigger in Colbreen, though, is that the dead don't always stay dead. The risen corpses are known as bone houses, and legend says that they're the result of an old curse. When Ellis, an apprentice mapmaker with a mysterious past, arrives in town, the bone houses attack with a new ferocity. What is it that draws them near? And more importantly, how can they be stopped for good? Together, Ellis and Ryan embark on a journey that will take them into the heart of the mountains, where they will have to face both the curse and the deeply buried truths about themselves. Equal parts classic horror novel and original fairy tale. The Bone Houses will have you spellbound from the very first page. I'm very interested. I don't know. I don't think I've read too many like horror style books in a long time, and that's mainly because I have a very vivid imagination. So I might be reading something during the day and my mind will manifest an entire story like in my dreams. Like this throwback-a-thon has had me become Sailor Moon and all types of stuff. So that's the box before like the thrillers and stuff. So let's see. We got the finger gloves from Owlcrate, which I love. The coffee, which apparently is a caramel corn flavor, which sounds disgusting. Caramel corn is gross. You're welcome. So that's two things. The trinket dish from Stella Bookish. The house. Oh yeah, I got the house on the haunting of the Hill House. Then it's inspired. Oh, there's a Netflix show. Not watching that. The art print is inspired by something wicked. This way comes. and it's illustrated by Anne Lamblett. I mean, good job, but I'm not a fan. I don't know. I don't know what to do with that print, to be totally honest. Like, it doesn't even fit the aesthetic of my fall thing, so I might give it away. Let's see. Yeah, and the enamel pen. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 with the enamel pen, and then 7 with the book. So let's see. I want to see what the original cover looked like versus... Oh, okay, so the original cover is black and the Owlcrate is white. I don't know. I feel like it probably would have been more striking with the black background, but I'll take it. Now, had it been like sprayed edges and stuff, bet that would have been bad. But okay. So let's read what is the theme and stuff for next month. So October's theme is Dawn of a New World. And it says, what would you do if you landed on a brand new planet? And what if that planet was more dangerous than you could imagine? Luckily, you can experience the thrill of adventure from the comfort of your own home. Our box this month is inspired by sci-fi tales that takes place on an unknown worlds or feature an alternate future version of our own planet. We are including 2 brand new hardcover novels this month. Both will be exclusive editions signed by the author as well. One book is a contemporary story with a sci-fi twist, all about what would happen if we found out the world was about to end. The second book is an epic story about a future where androids have taken over the human race. Both books are extremely unique and both feature diverse characters and romances. We absolutely adore them. You'll also find some goodies inspired by the Illuminae Files, the Lunar Chronicles, Heart of Iron, Saga, and Warcross. I'm just excited for some Saga stuff. I don't know if I'm the only one. It says we also excited to share that each box will contain an item we've never included before, designed by Little Inklings Designs. It's been ages since we did a sci-fi box, and we can't wait to send these out. Yeah, I didn't even know that Owlcrate did sci-fi, and I'm obsessed. Also, if anybody knows of any other book boxes that you'd like me to review, let me know. Like I said, I'm waiting for Fairy Loot. Like, I was going to do the Wizard one, but I didn't sign up in time for the Wizard one. So I think I'm going to wait to try Fairy Loot. Like, again, later. Just whenever they do a theme that actually, like, grabs me, like the Wizard one, then I'll do it. But, like, I'm not interested right now. I forgot what the theme is for this next one, but I won't be getting that one. I'm going to wait and see. Maybe November or December we'll have a good one. But what was your favorite thing in this box? My favorite thing was the beautiful enamel pin and the gloves. Obviously, I wasn't a fan of the coffee and the print, but the books made up for that. So, again, thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. And until the next time, guys, bye.